coming straight from work, so I don't know who all are performing, but I'm sure it'll be fun. It's the Star Girl Producers Award, so it's our duty to be here. And I like this venue. I think it's one of the finer venues in the country, so it'll be more interesting, and hopefully we'll catch some a little late. अवार्ड हो गए कि हर किसी को कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं अवार्ड मिल ही जाता है. There are too many award functions now, yeah. So there's no target like that. You just work hard. I'm fortunate this year to have done Chennai Express with Rohit, and things have turned out well. So you don't plan it like this. हाँ यार, मैं काम में शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ ना यार, पिक्चर नहीं बनानी है.
कोई भी अवार्ड्स आपके बिना पूरे नहीं हो सकते.
No, that's not true. I think all awards get complete without me. But it's nice to be appreciated and welcomed at all the award functions. Yeah, there's an issue. I think there are some new rules that need to be come out, and there are both sides to it. And I think there are a lot of discussions been going on for 3 years now. So I hopefully will get resolved between the music company, the music directors and singers, and the producers. Because it's a different concept. I mean, this is hardly the place, but you should have a bigger interviews of both sides and understand, that how it is to be passed, how it has to be done, and it should be done because we're all friends. We all have to work together. We have been working together, so it should have no animosity, and it should be done in the nicest possible way. Trying to see their Ashke, and I told Madhuri I'm going to go and see it. Sounds and looks very good. I read the script earlier when Vishal was making it, and I'm trying to see Gulab Gang also, my favorite actors in them. So yeah, it's really nice when you have roles like this. And I was just talking to Rohit while we were driving in. That it's so important that films which are not just women-centric, but give credibility and good roles to great actors like Madhuri and Juhi and Shri Devi and so many more, which I'm not mentioning right now. Because otherwise we are all the time only talking about youths and so obsessed with it. And internationally it's not. I was just telling them, if Meryl Streep is sitting in an award function, everybody else is scared, as ever young you may be, that Meryl Streep will win it. You go to watch her films, and I think that's the kind of cinema, when we talk about Indian cinema evolving, that's the kind of cinema we should also watch. It's a wonderful year for Deepika यार, सबको मालूम है, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सारे अवार्ड फंक्शन में वो सारे अवार्ड जीतेंगे, और उनका जीतने का हक है. जिस फिल्म के लिए भी जीतें, हमारी शुभकामनाएं चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस की तरफ से हैं. हमारी फिल्म के लिए मिलेगा तो खुशी और भी दोहरी होगी. But we are very happy. I think it's the biggest year for an actor that I've seen in my career, and she's enjoying it, and she's enjoying it with a lot of elegance and happiness.